Good morning. Myself Sakshi Tiwari. My topic is sequential circuit. What is sequential circuit? Sequential circuits are the digital circuits that store and use previous state information to determine their next state. Feedback is required for next output. More complex is required to store previous state. Logic gates flip-flop is used as component X example for registers counters. This diagram is a sequential circuit. Types of sequential circuit: synchronized sequential circuit and asynchronous sequential circuit. What is synchronized sequential circuit? Synchronized circuit synchronize with either positive edge or negative edge of the clock signal. That means the output of synchronized sequential circuits change or effect at the same time. What is asynchronous sequential circuit? Asynchronous circuit do not synchronize with positive edge or negative edge of the clock signal. That means the output of synchronized and asynchronous sequential circuit do not change or affect at the same time and change their state immediately when there is a change in the input signal. Application of sequential circuit: computer processor, memory system, communication system. Advantage of sequential circuit: memory retention, feedback capabilities, and complex functionalities. Disadvantage of sequential circuit: increased complexity, higher power consumption, synchronization challenges. What is flip-flop? The flip-flop is a circuit that maintains a state until directed by input to change the state. A basic flip-flop can constructed using for NAND or for NOR gate. A flip-flop is properly known as the basic digital memory circuit. It has its two states as logic: 1 high and 0 is present low state. A flip-flop is a sequential circuit which consists of single binary state of information or data. The digital circuit is a flip-flop which has two outputs and are of opposite state. It is also known as a bistable multivibrator. Types of flip-flop: SR flip-flop, JK flip-flop, D flip-flop, and T flip-flop. What is SR flip-flop? SR flip-flop is a full form of set and reset. In the flip-flop, with the help of preset and clear when the power is switched on, the state of the circuit keeps on changing, that is, it is uncertain. It may come to set 1 and reset 0 state. In many applications, it is desired to initially set off reset the flip-flop, that is the initial state of the flip-flop that needs to be assigned. This thing to complies by preset and the clear. This diagram is SR flip-flop. Thank you.